They're coming around! They really are coming around!
Oh,
they're everywhere! Wow.
He's not spicy food, you're eating it. No.
They're everywhere, dude. Look at all this.
Holy crap.
This is so stupid.
Wait, doesn't salt make birds explode?
Maybe it does.
No.
God, DJ, hit the thing.
No.
Oh!
You always got it in midair. I know, dude. I
They're away from me. Everywhere. It's kind of creepy.
They're like right there. Behind us. Oh, shoot. Coming over.
What the hell? Now.
Wait,
Is that a baloney?
Back to the water. Back to the water. Back to the water. Oh, God.
Throw it the other way, Mo.
I actually kicked one. Oh my God.
Oh man. This is the best thing ever right here.
Wait.
Oh my God.
A bunch of stuff down there.
Oh.
Don't like a bunch of crap down here. Oh my gosh, it's still down there. Can I have a pretzel before like the dome all the way? Michael, are you still videoing? No. What sandwiches?
Yeah. Look at all of them.
Holy
Go away.
Want a PB&J sandwich? Bro, pretzel.
Dude, throw it at a bird. Throw that at a bird.
Throw it. No, you're not going to put the words. Oh, say behind us. Holy.
Oh, that one was good. No.
I want a pretzel. I'm going to actually eat.
This is so stupid. Oh God. Ah!
Oh, there they go. Oh, dude. Oh.
Oh! God.
He landed on the other bird. Oh, no.
Oh.
No.
Where'd the bag go?
Which one's the bag? You have to go get it.
You guys. I'm not talking. Dude, it's like everywhere. Oh, I hit one.
I'm just going to give him a whole bunch.
You hit him and then like.
They don't like cheese. Heck, they don't like cheese. Eat my cheese. I'm gonna kick one.
Hit the one with the open mouth.
Can I kick one?
Oh, too fucking late.
I wonder if they like sweet cheese. I wonder if they like cookies. No, I like sweet cheese. I'm gonna eat those.
Do it.
You got cookies? No. Who wants
They're
cookies?
coming. Look at that. Holy crap, dude. Look at all of them. They're just like floating over.
They're everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, I almost got some spin on one. Dude, we're like Michael Vick, but
DJ, say it again.
we're like Michael Vick, but with birds. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Jesus.
Here we go. Let's do this thing again. No more throwing sand. No. Bad.
Oh,
Here we go.
I'm gonna rip your penis off, Sam. It's filming.